here that you are a 49-year-old Uganda fighter and a resident of Chanja A-Self, which is around its country. So you are facing two counts. The first one is incitement to violence. Contrary to section 21, the Penal Code Act. The prosecution alleges that on the 17th day of November this year, at Chanja Village in Wakiso district, you incited the general public to commit terrorism, an offense that is punishable by death. Do you understand that charge? Is it true? The second count is promoting sectarianism, which offends section 41 of the Penal Code Act. The prosecution alleges that you, Sulaiman Ibrahim, also known as Isma All Access, on the 17th day of November this year at Chanja Village in Wakiso district, you recorded and published a video with utterances likely to degrade, rape or expose to hatred or contempt, or raise discontent or disaffection, and promote in any other way feelings of free will or hostility among or against any group of persons on account of religion. Do you understand that, Jack? Is it true that you promoted sectarianism? So I've recorded a DNG on both counts. Yes, prosecution.
Your Worship, investigations in this case are still ongoing. Very good, much as I can.
But you know, before I make it, the accused has a heart disease and he cannot stand alone. I find it because it's alone. Through you, if you can sit down.
Let him sit near you there.
Most of blood, you know. How do you make an application for bail for the accused? Your Honor, I have finished it in court, and with your leave, I'll present them.
Mr. Isma, I hope you don't want to collapse any. Are you able to follow the proceedings?
Yes, the first shooting is without initial. Hidayat Chikozi is a cousin sister to the accused. 3 years. She's a resident of Lumumba village, Murukatu, Makerere. She works with Borodi, logistics, clearing and forwarding funds. She's a Ugandan. The legal owner forward her original national identity card to court together with an health senator. Also copies.
telephone contact?
Telephone contact the owner is 0700 81 22 81.
If you are not able to follow the procedure, we need the bed rescue.
No, the owner says is able to follow. Sebalamu Muhammad, the owner, is 28 years old. He's a resident of Lumumba village, Murukatu, Makerere. Your Honor, the accused is his co-director in their painting company, the company that deals in painting, and he works with him every day.
What is the name of that company?
Company called Comba Construction. And his telephone number is 0754 477 963. He's a Ugandan owner with your leave of work.
Yes.
The third surety owner is Nabupela Asha. Nabupela Asha, your owner, is a very close friend to the accused. She is 24 years old. She's a businesswoman. Dealing in clothes in Makerere, that is Lumumba village. You know, we have telephone contact is 0700 153 159. You know, she's a Ugandan with a national ID with the olive of what? The original national identity card. But secondly, Your Honor, the accused has a heart problem. He currently, Your Honor, gets his treatment regularly from Access Clinic, Gawa. Your Honor, from his medical records, his heart problem leads to severe congestion in his chest, and I have the original receipt, most of that. As counsel, I've taken off time to explain to the sureties their duties. They have understood them very well. And it is that they'll make sure that if the accused is granted bail, they'll make sure that he attends court wherever will be needed. Lastly, Your Honor, if I make my final prayer, even the accused is a law-abiding citizen who produced himself to police from hospital when he was called upon. He has assured me that if he is granted bail, he will continue to respect court and he will appear wherever will be needed. In a nutshell, Your Honor, I humbly pray that the accused is granted bail. First of all, Your Honor, so that he may get medical attention. But secondly, he will respect and abide by conditions as may be set by this tribunal.
Bail, there's a likelihood that you will interfere with the investigations. His lawyer has brought documents from Access Clinic Gaba. It's a particular one dated to confirm the assertions made by the defense. The accused is a heart patient. Now should we therefore pray that we're given time to verify the medical documents brought by the accused's lawyer and probably get further confirmation from Access Clinic Gaba to confirm that he's a heart patient. What has been brought so far does not indicate, coupled with the reasons that we have just advanced, that our investigations are still ongoing, the worship will object to this application. Regarding the sureties, if this court be pleased to grant me a few minutes for me to engage the sureties to confirm if they actually know they're accused.
Presented 3 sureties in support of his application for bail. Some are his relatives, while others are his workmates. All sureties have provided national IDs and LC money related to their place of residence. Now, prosecution alleges that if the applicant is released on bail, he might interfere with investigations. The applicant has also provided medical forms to prove that he suffers from a grave heart condition. The land prosecutor has dismissed that allegation. She submits that the applicant suffers from a cough and chest pain. And I gather that those 2 conditions can be properly managed in prison. The land prosecutor also submits that there are discrepancies between the national IDs and the LC1 letters provided by the sureties. However, counsel for the applicant has, to my satisfaction, explained those contradictions. The LC1 letters depict the current place of residence for the sureties. Those discrepancies are minor and cannot be a ground for rejecting a bail application. So the application for bail is therefore well-grounded and it is granted on the following terms. The applicant will execute a cash bail of 1 million. The sureties will each execute a non-cash bond of 20 million in Uganda shillings. The matter will be called on the 21st of December for information.
Most of that.
oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio fe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola vidiyo. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala fe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku namba zino: noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 31 731 oba noti 777 noti 23 4 noti 5. King Montage Photo Studio fe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.